Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to charge your OnePlus Wireless Bullets Z2. Okay, it's a very simple step. You can see here there is a port USB-C and you can connect any USB-C charger to this port. Okay, and here is my charger and just connecting this one like this. Okay, connected. Then you can see here there is a red light, that means it is charging. So in this way you can easily charge your OnePlus Z2 bullets, and it's only take 10 minutes for full charge. Okay, and you can use it as well as I'm only using this device in a day like 2 to 3 hours. So I'm continuously using, you can get 2 to 3 days. Okay, and that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.